Welcome back to Wiseman Company, fellas. Ben here, and today we're going to take a look at the Long Walks 15 liter from Vertx. Now, I'm not typically a huge fan of Vertx packs. I've used a couple, have a review of a couple on the channel. I mainly don't like them because everybody uses them. But when I saw this one, I was like, this one was a good idea, so I wanted to review it. And here we are today. This is the 15 liter. Like I said, they have a bigger one than this. And then they got like a fanny pack looking thing that you can get as well, crossbody carry type deal. But again, this is the 15 liter. It's green. You can get it in blue or black. It's made out of very lightweight material. It's intended to be that way. They wanted to shave weight. I think unloaded, it's like 1.5 pounds, which isn't too shabby. In a second, we'll get to the external details and the pockets, what I carry in it, etc. Really like this pack. I'm gonna tell you off the bat, I like it a lot. Had a few reservations, but again, this line, the Long Walks lineup from Vertx, kind of piqued my curiosity and I wanted to try it. So let's go to the tailgate and you can see what's in it and how I use it and maybe if it might work for you. Okay, let's get into the contents and the features of the pack, how I use it. Been using this pack for probably 2 to 3 months. I like it a lot. It's minimalist. It doesn't scream tactical, although there's some things that could change there and we'll get to that at the end, but great pack thus far. Like the color. Let's start with this outer stretchy beaver tail material here. Everyone asks, can it hold a helmet? No, it cannot. It's not big enough to hold a helmet. So what I put in there is a towel. This is kind of like a chamois towel. Thought this was going to be a giant waste of money, but I use it all the time. Dries out quickly. Got it from Zero Foxtrot. And I carry a Nalgene. There are no external water bottle pockets on this pack. It keeps the size down. I actually like that. I thought I was not going to like that, but I like that. If I want to carry a water bottle, I simply stuff it in here, and I could get away with carrying 2 in here. It'd be very crammed and tight, but I could get away with carrying 2 in here. This pouch, like I said, does not detach. You can only tighten it up like so and loosen it up like so. Very spacious, a lot of room. What I like to do also sometimes, if I'm like going to jiu-jitsu or the beach or something like that, I'll take my concealed carry handgun and simply slide it in there like that, cinch it down, and I can get to it easily. If I'm worried about printing, which it doesn't really print, I can stick something over it, but honestly, this is a great way to carry a handgun. It doesn't fall out because this little pouch has kind of like a reverse flap on it, so anything that would want to slide out gets caught in it. You have to be kind of intentional about pulling things out. So it's a great place to store a handgun. I like this pouch a lot. Obviously, you can stick a rain jacket in there, you know, some sort of beanie, warm layer type clothing, whatever. It would be just fine for that. But for me, it's a towel and a water bottle. I live in Florida. Surf's up. Next pouch is their smaller admin, and it only unzips like so in an L-shaped fashion. It does not unzip the whole way. Simply peel it back and you can get to the contents. This spot is pretty roomy too. They got a lanyard in here for your keys and stuff like that. I have a Geek pocket organizer, and you can get these on our website. I keep pens and stuff like that in here, chapstick, lighter, you know, a boo-boo kit, a couple chem lights, you know, just the little tchotchke stuff that you need from day to day. And that stays in this admin pocket. As you can see, there's a strip of Velcro right here. So you could Velcro in their Tactogami or whatever it's called, or a pimp carrier from Wiseman Company. You could Velcro those in there. It's pretty spacious. Can it fit a handgun? Yeah, there's a Glock 19 right there. Not bad at all. So yes, it can fit a handgun. I wouldn't store a handgun there. I would just simply use it as an admin pouch. Okay, there's only one other major compartment on this bag, and that's the biggest one. Does not unzip the whole way. It's a half zip. And in here, we're gonna have some stuff. I got a shemagh. I have a monocular. Great thing to always have on you. Pair of socks, pair of undies. I have a one of those Faraday bags which just mainly is for blocking cell phone signal. I got some tools and things in here, batteries, things like that. But this is mainly just for blocking cell phone signal. If you know, you know. And then I have a waterproof bag, and inside this I have big Ziplocs, zip ties, and contractor trash bags. This right here will get you out of a lot of jams. And as you can see on this particular bag, the whole backside is loop. So I can take a pimp carrier, again, these are sold on our website. This is a pistol AR mag carrier, and I can simply Velcro it to the inside here. You could Velcro literally anything that has the hook portion to this soft loop portion. So I just keep 2 chem lights, spare pistol mag, and an AR mag for the old truck gun when it's in the truck. And then at the bottom, I just keep a rain cover for the bag itself. This is just generic rain cover. It's in woodland, fits over the bag nicely if I need to keep things dry. Let's flip it over. As you can see, padded, got some vents so air can move through freely. It does have a lap belt, I never use it. Has a sternum strap, which is almost a must for me. I love sternum straps, I use them, they're handy. You'll see these 2 little nets here on the actual backpack straps. I like these. These are probably intended for like snacks and electrolytes and things like that, but I use them for something else. In the front here, I keep a gaiter in case I need something to cover my face. And then on this side, I keep a snake staff tourniquet. Now it's not fast, but it fits in there nicely. As you can see, snake staff tourniquet. This is their larger one, fits in there just fine. Okay, fellas, there you go. Long Walks 15 liter from Vertx. Couple other things to note, which I don't really care about, but you might. Yes, you can add a ballistic panel to it. That's kind of a Vertx trademark. 2, yes, you can add a water bladder to it. It does have the hole on the top to run the hose out. I hate water bladders, hate them. And then 3, yes, Vertx did plaster its logo on the back of the pack. It's subdued, but it's still their logo, way bigger than it needs to be. That was my one gripe about the pack. When companies need to brand their products like big and bold, and it's just like an eyesore, I don't really like it. But this one, again, it's subdued. I can get over it. I get it. Companies want to get their brand out there, but calm down. All right, any questions? Leave them down below. Be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Go to wisemancompany.com. That's the best place to support us. Ton of great gear over there, and we appreciate all that support. Thank you. My name's Ben. We'll see you on the next video.